Hey guys, welcome to the adventure. Today we're going to talk about capturing the beautiful sights that you see and that come along with trucking.
Where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen every.
We're Simple Living, husband and wife, team truck drivers, and we are best known for making life a little more simple on the road and making our semi into a micro tiny house. Today we're going to talk about capturing the beautiful views that you see while driving. It's important to capture those beautiful sights because sometimes you might not always get to experience all the beauty that you're seeing while driving down the road because your mind is so active trying to just focus on what's going on with your truck, what's going on around you and in the environment. So being able to capture it and saving it for later, you can truly enjoy the beauty that you were able to see while driving and share them with others and bring them joy as well. So best to capture all of these beautiful sights. So how do you capture those beautiful sights and what do I recommend using? All right, so the most important thing is the mount. It doesn't necessarily have to do with what phone, what camera. Yes, those all make a difference, but you can get amazing video and picture with your cell phone alone. The biggest thing is going to be the mount. Make sure you get one of these suction mounts for your phone or for a GoPro and suction it to the windows of your truck. That's going to equal more stabilization, which is going to offer a better video and a better picture. So things are always bumping around in the truck, and the thing that's going to move the least is definitely going to be that window. So go ahead, suction it on there. And the awesome thing about the GoPro is that you can capture many different things and make it easier. So you also have voice command with the GoPro, so that allows it to be hand-free. So you can capture pictures or video at higher quality, and this super wide mode is amazing on the GoPro because you can really capture some really wide shots. So if you're wanting to go down through Texas and it's wide open, you're in the desert and you really want to span out and get some of those far mountain ridges out there, then you can definitely do that really well with the GoPro. And I use the GoPro in a lot of my videos, especially for a lot of that road footage, and you can get some awesome shots with that. The other one is going to be the cell phone. So you can get great video, and cell phones also have voice command. And another thing that's great about our phone, we have the Note 9, which is really great, is it has a pen. So you can just take the pen out and the pen can be used as the clipper. So you can just click this or in this button and it allows you to take the picture. You can also say, smile, record video, things like that, and it will automatically start setting that up. So if you're at a rest area and you've just captured some of the beautiful sights and pictures, then you can take pictures in the desert of like some of the cactuses, things like that. Clip that back up into the mount, hit go, and you can just stop it, or you can also say record video and it's going to pop up and start recording that for you. The other thing with the GoPro is you do have the app on your cell phone, so you can pair these directly. So if you don't want to use voice command or you want to see the footage that you're getting, you can also have the phone mount for on your dash, look over and see that and see the footage that you're going. I hope that helps. I hope you're able to capture amazing footage and view some beautiful things while on the road, because one of the best things about trucking is the sights that you get to see, the unique places you get to go. So make sure you're capturing those and you're enjoying them for a lifetime. All right, guys, until next time, enjoy the adventures and be safe.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen.